Hello everyone, welcome to the Postman tutorial. In last tutorial, I have discussed about environment variable. In Postman, how can we create environment variable and how can we use it? I have explained in last video. If you haven't watched, please watch before watching this video. Okay, so in today video, I am going to discuss about global variable. How can we create global variable and how those are different from environment variable. So here this is one variable I have created, environment variable, and here we can see it is giving the error because I haven't selected any environment. Okay, right now we can see it is saying no environment. That's why the color is coming red. It means this doesn't exist. So right now I haven't chosen any environment. That's why it is the color is red. So when any environment is selected and if this keys is matching, then the color will change to orange. So let's see. Now I'm selecting dev environment. See, the color changed to orange. And if I hover the mouse, we can see the value. It is coming from dev environment. All right, from here it is coming. All right, so let me copy. So what I'm going to do this time, I am going to create one more environment. So first let me select no environment. Let me click on eye icon and let me click on add. So I'll say QA environment env and I am giving the same name base URL. Okay, let me click on save. Okay, it's saved. So let me move on. So right now no environment selected if I am hovering the mouse. So again the same error, right? Because there is no environment selected. So if I select the QA environment, so it will pick the value because these keys and values are existing there. Okay, it is the environment variable right now. And if I click on send, okay, I am getting the response here. You can see here. Let me scroll it. All right, it is coming and status was 200. And if I select dev environment and if I click on send, so still I am getting the response. All right, so in both cases it is working. So this is working as a local variable. So these variable are the local variable. So what is the difference between environment variable and global variable? So let me create one global variable. So before creating global variable, let me show you the difference. So let me go to Q environment and let me select on this eye icon. Let me click on edit. So if I click on edit, if I deselect, so it means I'm going to remove this entry. All right. So if I click on save, all right, I saved. Let me click on close. So if I click on here, I don't see any value. All right. Now, if I click on send, it will give the error because this value doesn't exist. We are not sending, right? We don't have the base URL. And if I click on send, so no, there is no proper URL is going, right? That's why it is throwing the error. Okay. So if I select the dev environment, I am getting the response. All right, it is working fine. So in QA, because that key, the base URL, it doesn't exist in QA environment. Okay, that's why I'm getting the error. Like this, we can have multiple environment, and in case if any value doesn't exist in any environment, then we'll get the error. So these are the local. These are the local. So if I create the global, so global will work on top of those environment. So the name suggests like the scope is global. Okay, and environment, that scope is local. Okay, so let me create one global variable. So let me click here. So global, I am going to give the name base URL and I'll keep the value same, and let me select. All right. So let me click on save. Let me click on close. So here now you can see I haven't selected any environment. It is saying no environment. But if I am hovering the mouse, it is automatically picking the global variable. So here, and you can see here the icon is Z. G mean global, and value it is coming. So if I click on send, and now it is working fine. So there is a one scenario like if I'm not selecting any environment, by default it will pick the value from global variable. This is number one scenario. Number two scenario, if you are selecting any environment like Q environment, in Q environment, if that key it doesn't exist, right? That variable doesn't exist, but still it will pick the value from global. Okay, so let me click on send. Now see, it is working. So if I click on I icon, so there is no value. All right, here we don't see any value in environment variable. Okay, and number third scenario, if I'm selecting dev environment and dev environment, okay, the base URL exists in dev environment and we are having global as well. So here base URL we can see here, and in global also we are having this value, and the key, the variable name, it is matching in environment and in global, both are matching. So which value it is going to pick? So it is going to pick this environment value, that is called the local. So here you can see here global value, it is already, this is not going to take here, you can see here the sign. Okay, so this is a difference. So if you are having global and local variable, and if you are global and local, I'm using the word for the environment. Okay, so environment and the global, and the name is matching. Name mean like variable name is matching, then it will take the environment variable first priority. Here you can see. All right, so let me click on send. It is working, we can see here. So I can say like global variable will be used in absence of the environment specified value. So like if any values doesn't exist in environment, then it will be picked from global variable. If it is matching both environment as well as a global, then priority will be high of the local variable, or I can say environment variable. Environment I'm using as a local and global is globally. So this is a difference between environment and global variable. Now we can have the question, so which variable we should create as environment and which variable should we make as global? So we can make global any variable which are not going to update, which are not going to change, that we can take as a global. So we can create one time and we can use when we are working any project. And local variable we can create, environment wise, when we are having multiple environment where the base URL is going to keep change, right? So those variable we can create as environment variable, and global variable, the value is going to fix that we can create global. So I am sure this will be clear to everyone, and if you having still any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. I'll reply as soon as possible, and I will try to make any other video. If you're having any doubt, please let me know. So that's what I want to cover in this video. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.